Hello everyone, welcome to this gentle morning yoga session. My name is Norma and I'll be guiding you into this morning yoga practice. We're gonna start lay down on your back. Extend your arms to the side like a T shape. Inhale, bend the knees to the chest, and then on the exhale, slowly drop the knees down to the right. Gaze over your left shoulders, keeping your shoulders grounded. Breathe deeply here and feeling the gentle twist in your spine. Bring the awareness into your lower back as you breathe into this twist. Few breaths here. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly return to the center. Breathe in there, and breathe out. Slowly drop the knees down to the left side. And keep your gaze on your right shoulder. Bring the awareness into your hips and lower back as you breathe into this twist. On the next inhalation, bring the knees back to the center. Exhale, drop the feet down to the ground. Extend the legs out long on the mat. Inhale, stretch your arms up over your head. And then walk your feet and arms slightly to the right, curving your body into banana shape. Feel the stretch along the left side of your body. Also feel free if you would like to grab your left wrist. Stretch a little bit more. Inhale, slowly bring your body back to the center. And then on the exhale, curving your body to the left side. Just keep the hip down and grab your right wrist if you would like to stretch a little bit deeper. Breathe in onto your right rib cage and breathe out. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. And then from here, you're gonna draw the knees toward your chest and grab the outer edge of your feet with your hands, opening your knees wide towards your armpits into your happy baby. Rock gently side to side, massaging your lower back into the mat. And then from here, you're gonna bring the knee to the chest again and then slowly rock yourself forward and then coming into seated position. Find a comfortable seated position and place your hands by your side. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. And then from here, feel free to grab your left ear and bring your head to the right side. Few breaths, breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale to release. Breathe in there. Exhale, bring your left ear to the left shoulder. Gonna stay for a few more breaths. And then slowly release your hands back down to the mat. Inhale, bring your arms up to the sky. Exhale, drop your right hand down next to you. Extend your left arm up over your left ear. Stay here for a few breaths and allow your left knee down to the ground and feel the stretch on your left side of the body. Breathe and let's come back to the center, arms up. Exhale, left hand down, extend your right arm up over your right ear. Keep your right knee down, inhale there. Exhale. Breathe and come back to the center, both hands up to the sky. And breathe out, twist to the right side. So drop your right hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Breathe in there. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring your right arm up and then lean towards the left side. Get a side body stretch. So feel the stretch on your right side of the body. Let's breathe onto your right rib cage. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Come back to the center, arms up. Breathe out, twist to the left. Keep your right hand down on your left knee. Inhale to create the space. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Breathe in, let's bring your left arm up to the sky. Breathe out, lean towards the right side. Come back to the center, both hands up to the sky. Breathe out, release your hands down. We're gonna come into tabletop position, all fours. Stack the wrists under your shoulder and the knees under your hips. Breathe in to arch. Breathe out to round the spine. Push the floor, chin to the chest. Inhale to lift. Exhale to round. Breathe in. Breathe out, round and push. Tuck the tailbone in. Breathe into arch. And look up. Breathe out to round. Breathe in, slowly come back to your neutral spine. And breathe out, drop the hips all the way down towards your heels. Extend your arms forward and slowly drop your forehead down to the ground. If you're pretty open, feel free to open the knees slightly wider than your hips. We're gonna stay here for a few breaths, allowing your body to sink into the mat. With each exhale, let go of any tension in your shoulders and lower back. Just notice how your hip feels as they rest back towards your heels. Few more breaths here. Take a moment to simply be here, allowing yourself to embrace the stillness. Imagine each inhale bringing in calmness and each exhale releasing any stress. Breathe and slowly lift the head up, and let's walk your hands back towards you. Bring your hands on prayer. Thank you. Namaste.